Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're diving into the juicy goodness of watermelon. Not only is it delicious, but it's also packed with health benefits. Let's explore the top 5 reasons why you should be enjoying watermelon this summer. First up, hydration. Watermelon is made up of over 90% water, making it one of the best fruits to keep you hydrated, especially on hot days. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining your energy and keeping your skin glowing. Next, rich in antioxidants. Watermelon is loaded with vitamins A and C, as well as lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from sun damage and supports your immune system. Third, it's great for heart health. The lycopene in watermelon can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. Benefit number 4, aids in digestion. Watermelon is high in fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and prevents constipation. It's a gentle way to support your gut health. Finally, watermelon is a great source of natural energy. The natural sugars and electrolytes in watermelon give you a quick energy boost without the crash, making it the perfect pre- or post-workout snack. So there you have it, 5 amazing benefits of watermelon. It's hydrating, heart-healthy, great for digestion, and packed with antioxidants and natural energy. What's not to love? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more healthy tips. See you next time.